Place Aloe on your foot. This is a solution that isn't talked about much, but it works wonders. This humble plant holds surprising power. You can use it in many ways, and here are 2 to start with. Take a leaf and cut it lengthwise. Use a spoon to scoop out the clear, cooling gel. Put it in a blender. Add a few fresh mint leaves for scent and freshness, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Blend everything into a smooth mixture, then strain it through a fine sieve to get a clear, slightly thick liquid. This can be used as a natural toothpaste. Just a small amount on your brush is enough. Aloe and mint will freshen your breath, while the baking soda gently cleans and whitens your teeth. But that's not all. Take a thick aloe leaf, cut off the ends, and slice it open lengthwise, but only on one side. The idea is to expose the gel while keeping the leaf intact so it holds its shape. Place the gel side down onto a clean cloth. This natural compress can be applied to your knee, foot, or any area that needs soothing.